Hey, how's it going, everybody? And welcome to another episode of the Investment Realtors podcast. You're here with Lewis, and I just wanted to kind of go through this article I pulled up here about the CMHC First Time Homebuyers Incentive Program. Basically, it's a program by the Ontario government to help people buy properties, right? Whatever it takes to make it easier. We do know prices are pretty crazy and things have gone up so much lately that a lot of people think buying a house is out of reach. So these are just some small things that the government's done to kind of help first time, especially first time home buyers buy their property. So if we get started here, if you are buying a home for the first time as a Canadian, then you should be aware of the first time home buyer incentive. This program is intended to make the first time home ownership more affordable for Canadians and their families. Basically, the CMHC will loan you some money for the down payment of your first home in order to lower your monthly payments. In turn, they will also share some of the appreciation or losses on the fair market value of the home. The amortization period for the incentive is 25 years. Prepayment is required in full at the end of this period. So any money loaned to you, you will owe back once you sell or whatever happens with that property. Or when you end up selling the home, yep, there's a maximum appreciation as well as a maximum loss amount. So they kind of cap you on the amount you could lose and the amount you could earn on the house from appreciation. Um, so, what is it? The First Time Home Buyers Incentive Program is designed to increase home ownership affordability for first time home buyers. It's basically a shared equity program through CMHS, contributes a mortgage and incentive amount of a down payment and shares appreciation losses if homes eventually sell. CMHC can help with the down payment by contributing to the purchase of a home up to 10%. So they'll help you up to 10% of the purchase price of the home. The program is subject to changes and updates, so just make sure you follow the programs on the Government of Canada's website. Um, so how does it work? The Canadian Mortgage and Housing Corporation, CMHC, offers a 5% or 10% equity stake in the sale of existing homes. After the sale of the property, the homeowners are responsible for paying back the CMHC. The incentive must be prepaid in full after 25 years or once the home is sold. Some occurrences may trigger repayment and partial repayments are not available. Payment details will be discussed later on in this article. Okay, so for example, consider a home purchase of $200,000. Let's say somewhere in Canada you found a home for $200,000. With your $10,000 in savings, you could put 5% down on a house. As a result, you require a mortgage to pay the remaining $190,000. Further, let's say you received the first time home buyer incentive worth $20,000. That's 10% of the price of the home of a new build property or a regular home. As a result, the home mortgage balance will drop to $170,000. So basically, they're giving you $20,000 to help you with your down payment on your first home. As a result, it dropped to 170, which decreases your monthly mortgage payment, right? By this average, depending on your rate, this average was calculated $114. So you're saving money every month because you get this incentive program. Now, the thing is that this 10% has to be paid back when it's time to sell the house, right? So that's where that comes from. So qualifications, you're looking at the family. So whether it's you by yourself or whoever you're with, has to earn less than $150,000 a year to qualify. So that's good right there. Um, how purchase price affects monthly payments. You know, the more you put down, the more you save. Um, so when you're looking at this, it's kind of an added incentive to help you buy your first home, right? So we recommend this for anybody looking to buy a house, especially first time home buyers that are a little low on down payments. Look into this. Ask your bank, ask your mortgage broker, and ask us any questions below in the comments section. Let us know what you think of the video, and if you want to see anything else, we're just a click away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you next time.